channel. She's Payal
and she's Neha,
and today we are going to show you a brand
which is Myoho Pure by Priyanka.
and also will provide the review. So before getting started,
Please like, comment and share. We want to know how you like the video.
and also do subscribe, it's important, and also press the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us. Start with our first product, which Payal will let us know what it is.
So today's first product is Aloe Moisture Surge, and this is how the packaging looks like. It's I've used it as a day cream as well as a night cream. Instead of a gel, you can use it since it's made out of aloe vera. It's really very hydrating, and like it gives a real in summers you like need lot of hydration on your skin, so it completes that part.
Yeah, actually, because in summer what happens, we like our skin doesn't stay hydrated. So for that hydration, this Aloe Surge is very good because it is made up of pure aloe vera. So she has tried this product and she really liked that product. I haven't tried this product, but it looks good to me as well.
I've used this as a night cream. Instead of my night cream, I've used this Aloe Moisture. It's really good.
Yeah, so do give it a try, and it's an Indian brand. Myoho Pure by Priyanka. It's an Indian brand.
It's even a homegrown brand, so
Yeah.
do try and give them a review how you like their products.
Yeah. So Payal, what we have our next as a second product?
So today's second product is a Rose Lip Sleeve. It's a lip balm which is made out of rose. So you can see, I'll open and just show you.
Yeah, it is like a really pink color, like it's a blush color, and it is very like smooth in texture, and it looks like a solid thing, but once you take it on your hands, like on your fingertips, it just melts like an oil, and it keep hydrated the lips every time.
I can show you the texture. See,
Yeah.
the moment I take it into my hands, it starts melting away. See, you can see how nicely it's absorbing. See,
And it's really good. You should give it a try on this lip care product. So the third product which we have is Glow Face Serum. So this is how the packaging looks like. It is a small bottle with this like we can press and we can pump like
pump
thing.
like this.
We have this product like this. It comes with a pump. You can press and you can get the 2 drops. I will say that 2 drops is enough. And this is how the serum looks like. It is thick in consistency,
But it's like liquidy. It's like flowy in terms of other oils.
yeah. So it's like a good texture on skin. It really helps your skin regenerate. Like it is really helping me out. I'm using it from like a week, and I can see that glow on my face. It is really, I'm using it at night especially, but yeah, I will tell that please do a patch test before using it, because we know skincare and hair, 2 things are very subjective, depends from person to person. So yeah, you can give it a try on this glow serum. I really like this serum.
And this serum also consists of kumkumadi oil. So try when you wear it into your daytime and exposed to sunlight,
Yeah.
be aware of that.
Yeah, exactly. So I recommend it to use at night because I use at night only.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a good thing to buy. Yeah, it's a little pricey, but yeah, it's affordable because it's 40 ml, and yeah, it's a good deal. Okay, so what we have next is our hair moringa root strengthening mask. So this is one kind of mask.
And another mask that we have is Good Hair Day Pre-Shampoo Mask.
So this is how this packaging looks like. You can see it's like a tub.
Similar is the structure for this one, but it's a liquid. It's more
Like
like
a
of
hair
a
mask.
gel. Yeah, it's kind of semi-liquid structure, as you can see.
Yeah.
I have used a lot of this one.
Yeah, and this is like a powdery thing, like a powder thing. So you can see it's like a powder thing. We need to mix it with some liquid thing, which I will tell you with what we need to mix it. So first we will go with this one.
This is made out of aloe vera, so those whose hair doesn't suit aloe vera, don't go for this one, go for the other one, because the major ingredient of this hair mask is aloe vera.
Yeah.
And बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग स्मेल से बहुत ज्यादा होता है ना, बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है जिन लोगों को, अवॉइड दिस वन. बट आफ्टर वॉशिंग दिस वन, you need to wash it with a sulfate free, or try using a sulfate free shampoo after using this mask.
Yeah, like a mild shampoo.
Yeah,
And this is a pre
Pre-shampoo
shampoo
mask.
So
Yeah.
you can use it like पहले shampoo के पहले लगा दो. And is it like used in scalp?
no, this one is not meant for scalp. Never apply this on your scalp, and even avoid other hair masks to be applied on scalp until it is meant for the scalp.
Yeah. And now we will go with this one. So this is used like 3 to 4 for my hair. I use 3 to 4 spoons with curd, and I took like 3 to 4 spoons of curd as well, and I took a few drops of olive oil also. So you can pour the olive oil because it keep moist on the skin as it is a dry one, and put it in your scalp as well as root. So this is for both scalp and root. So I tried it twice, and I really like this because it it removed all the frizziness from my hair. And yeah, I love this product. So you can give it a try for this product. Yeah, this is also a pre-shampoo mask.
And the ingredients that are used in this one
Yes.
are really good for your scalp and for your hair growth.
Yeah, actually because it's fenugreek powder,
yeah.
सिकाई powder, everything, मेहंदी पत्ता.
इसमें
Yeah.
वही सब इंग्रेडिएंट्स है जो आपके बाल के हेयर ग्रोथ को बहुत प्रमोट करती है. मेथी, शिकाकाई, आंवला, इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ दीज थिंग्स.
And also shampoo.
Yeah.
Use the shampoo, a mild one, sulfate free.
अरे तुम मुझे माइल्ड, सल्फेट फ्री, पैराबेट फ्री शैम्पू बोल रही हो, मुझे ऑप्शन दो.
Option है मेरे पास, वही तो ढूंढ रही थी. So we have this good hair day shampoo. This is how the packaging looks like. It's a plastic bottle with a pump. मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट यूज किया है. इसका पंप उतना अच्छा नहीं है. Like we need to press it very hard, बहुत little, like see I'm pressing it like 2-3 times, then it's like coming इतना सा. So it's really tough for me. And yeah,
इसे कंटिन्यूस प्रेस करके रखना पड़ता है अगर आपको बहुत अमाउंट में शैम्पू चाहिए, क्योंकि जब हम शैम्पू करते हैं हमें ऐसे नहीं कि अरे थोड़ा सा लो लगा लो, नहीं, वो चीज नहीं है.
and it's a like hair cleanser, normal hair cleanser, ऐसा कुछ इफेक्टिव नहीं था. बट या इट्स गुड बिकॉज इसका इंग्रेडिएंट्स बहुत अच्छा है. इसमें आर्गन ऑयल है विच इज गुड फॉर हेयर. इसमें हिबिस्कस एक्सट्रैक्ट है विच इज गुड
हिबिस्कस
फॉर
एक्सट्रैक्ट तो बाल काले भी रखने में
या
हेल्प करता है.
राइट. आंवला है. सो इसमें ऑलमोस्ट ओट प्रोटीन है. जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स यूज लाइक इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज किए हुए वो काफी अच्छे हैं हेयर के लिए. बट ये थोड़ा सा प्राइसी लगा मुझे. लाइक मेरे अकॉर्डिंग ये थोड़ा सा प्राइसी था. हाँ, हम लोग को ऑफर में मिला लाइक 30% ऑफ, राइट. तो हम लोग को इजी पड़ा बट थोड़ा प्राइसी लगा. यू कैन गिव इट अ ट्राई इफ यू वांट इट. एज अ हेयर क्लेंसर इट्स अ गुड शैम्पू. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द शैम्पू, देयर शुड बी एन ऑप्शन फॉर कंडीशनर एज वेल, राइट.
है ना मेरे पास.
हाँ, प्योर बाय प्रियंका.
प्योर बाय प्रियंका ने ये भी दिया है अपनी रेंज में, जो कि है गुड हेयर डे कंडीशनर. सो हाउ इट्स कंसिस्टेंसी लुक्स लाइक, एज यू कैन सी इट्स नॉट फ्लोइंग.
इट्स लाइक अ थिक हेयर मास्क.
या यू कैन से सो, बट ये बहुत इफेक्टिव. मैंने टिल डेट जितने कंडीशनर यूज किया, आई थिंक दिट्स द बेस्ट वन. ठीक है, थोड़ा प्राइसी है, थोड़ा ओवर द रेंज है, बट बहुत अच्छा काम करता है, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा काम करता है ये आपके मतलब जिनके ड्राई फ्रिजी हेयर है, बहुत ज्यादा ब्रिटल हेयर है, प्लीज गो फॉर दिस वन. ये बालों को इतना सॉफ्ट, इतना मैनेजेबल कर देता है, बहुत ज्यादा
शाइनी, बहुत शाइनी लगता है. ऑल अबाउट प्योर बाय प्रियंका रेंज वी हैड. So
do give it a try and let us know in the comment section how
yes,
you
guys,
like.
please comment on the comment section
And let us know how it worked for you, which product worked, which product you purchased, and which product did work for you.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, do like, share,
Comment and subscribe.
subscribe, guys.
Guys, jaldi subscribe karo and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Yes, you'll get the notification every time.
Bye guys.